Hi, today I will show you how to use WinMerge to compare files. WinMerge is very easy to use and understand. A very fast and easy way to compare two files and see the differences instantly. To compare two files, you can open two files at once or click File and then New and drag in one file and the other file. As you can see, I have two blank documents open and I will show you how to compare data and mark differences in files. First I need to prepare the contents of both files. The files will be the same but with minor changes so I can demonstrate how it works. Now I will prepare the content of the second document with minor changes. Both files are prepared in WinMerge program and as you can see they are similar, but with minor changes. Now I will show how to compare files and colorize and display the differences. As you can see, lines that are not the same in the files are colored in a different color. Also, symbols that do not match in specific lines are highlighted in another color. This is a very good and fast way to compare two files with the WinMerge program to see if they are the same and, if not, to find the differences.